Your TikTok videos might be good, but are they branded? I am DTS Techfit, and this simple logo trick will help people recognize your content faster. How to add your logo to your TikTok video step by step. First, open TikTok and tap the plus button to upload or record your video. Next, tap Edit, then select Stickers or Add Image, depending on the version of TikTok you are using. Now choose your logo from your camera roll. Make sure your logo has a clear background so it looks professional on your video. Once your logo is added, resize it by pinching the screen. Place it in the corner of your video so it does not cover your face, text, or main content. Next, adjust how long the logo appears. You can keep it on the full video or only show it at the beginning and end. Now preview your video to make sure everything looks clean, branded, and easy to see. Finally, add your caption, hashtags, and post your video. Branding your videos helps people recognize your content, remember your business, and take you more seriously online. Follow for more simple TikTok and AI branding tips.